We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and then we'll punch in the tool in the corner right there. We'll punch in the tool from all over the edges until the complete window switch cover is pulled out. Once all the edges are pulled out using the tool, then we'll just grab the window switch and pull it outwards. There it is, that is taken out. Behind, there are two plugs. Notice one plug right here and the other right there. This plug has a tab right there. So what we'll have to do is press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. I noticed the plug to be a little stiff, so I had to push it a little hard to pull it outwards. And there's the plug taken out. Again, you have to press and hold this tab and then pull the plug outwards. Similar way we'll do for the other plug. We'll again have to press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. For some reason, I noticed this plug was even more stiff than the first plug, and I had to push a little more hard to pull this plug outwards completely. There it is, that's how it's taken out. This separates the complete window switch from the door itself. Once the window switch is taken out, notice behind the cover there are few screws. There is one screw right here and the other two screws right there that we are supposed to take out. We will be using a Phillips screwdriver to take all these three screws out one by one. There's the first screw taken out. Similar way we'll take out the second screw at the bottom. Second screw is also out. We'll also take out the third screw at the top. There it is. While taking out the final screw, doesn't matter if it's at the top or at the bottom. Just make sure you're holding onto the cover from behind like that because it's going to fall apart. Once all the screws are out, then we'll just grab the switch from behind and pull it outwards. Just like that. That is how we take out the master window switch for this car. In my case, the master window switch is working perfectly fine. So I'm going to install it back. But in your case, if you have a new master switch and you want to install it back, just make sure that these switches, the way they are, matches with the position of the cover right there. Just make sure that the buttons at the top are matching with the position of the cover. Also the bottom buttons are matching with the cover. So we'll go ahead and punch in the window switch on top of the cover. There's the cover completely in. Also make sure from the other side it's sitting in properly. It's like it is sitting properly and all the buttons are looking good. Now we will go ahead and punch in the screws back. First, what we will do is we will punch in all the screws without tightening them all the way till the very end. That's it. We'll just leave it in the middle like that. Then we punch in two screws at the bottom. So there's one screw that goes right here and the other screw goes right besides. Just remember we are tightening all the screws up until the middle only. Once all the screws are in place, only then we will go ahead and tighten them till the very end. Top one is tight. Second screw is also tight. Third screw is also tight. Once all the screws are tight, notice the window switch is also not shaking. Now we are good to punch in the window switch back where we took it out from. We'll start punching in the plugs behind. Notice you cannot punch in the plugs anywhere. They both have a specific size. The plug I'm holding has a bigger size, so it will not go in that position right there. And it has to go here. Similar for the other side. And this one is the one that matches for the top position. It is a smaller plug. We'll punch it in and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. That one is completely in. The other plug we'll also punch in. It's gonna go down just like that. We'll also press this down until we hear a clicking sound. There it is. Both of those plugs are completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch this back. We'll have to turn it the other way around, just like that. Notice from behind there is that one tab right there, and notice from the other side there is one tab right there as well. And these two tabs are supposed to go, one right here and the other one right there. So we'll go ahead and punch in the window switch, making sure it's completely sitting in position. Once in position, then we will have to press the window switch from all over until it completely goes in. There it is, it's completely in, and with that we are done with the replacement of master window switch for this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.